This is Thomas. Thomas has an idea. This is TRECO. We are a manufacturing partner for products where the emphasis is on metal, and we specialize in making your ideas to products. It doesn't matter if it starts with a sketch on a napkin, a prototype, technical drawings, or outsourcing and product optimization of an existing product. And our know-how will most likely make your idea even better. Maybe you're further along in the process. Then TRECO can ensure that you get the most out of your time and your materials during the manufacturing process, whether you need one prototype or 10,000 finished products. What about the manufacturing? Fully automatic punching, laser cutting, press braking, welding, coating, mechanical and electromechanical assembly are just some of the services we offer. Warehousing and logistics solutions are also an option, so you can get your products delivered exactly when you need them. As a manufacturing partner, TRECO is your right hand, both when it comes to machines and warehousing. On top of that, there's a great deal of know-how and huge personal interest in your company, your product, and your success. Because your success is our success. That's why your process is in good hands with us. Whether it's the entire process or just a part of the process, we do it together. For us, it's about making sure you achieve your development and manufacturing goals. That's why we say, ahead together.